Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit photo here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a photo in Canva is simple and offers a variety of tools to enhance or customize your image. Once you're logged into your account, I want you to upload or select a photo that you wanted to edit or enhance. Now, if you want to edit your own photo, go to the Uploads tab on the left side bar and upload the photo of your own or image from your computer. In my case, I'm going to be using this one right here. Now, one of the best features on editing the photo is click on the resize. The resize is basically this. Flips right here. You can make it small, right? You can duplicate the photo itself by pressing Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste, or simply copy and then paste, all right? So you can do all of these. Of course, you can group them together by pressing shift, and then there's going to be an option that says group, so you can move them together in one single file. Now, not only you can resize, you can also click on this option right here that says position. You can arrange layers, center, middle, right, bottom, and all of these options, all right? Now, you can also go to the flip. You can flip horizontally. Click on the vertical. So you have all of these, all right? You have all of these at your disposal. You can also rotate that 360 right here if you wanted. You have all of these at your disposal. Now, after that, you can also crop if you want. You see this line right here? You can basically crop the image that you wanted, all right? Now, I'm going to ungroup all of these and retain one picture. Go into the upload section again. Now, there's going to be an option that says edit image or edit. That's going to be for your photo. You can use the filters like Fresco, Belvedere. If you click on that, these are some of the tones that you can use. Warm, Capri, intensity. You have all these cool. If you go to the edit again, there's going to be a dual tone. You can use this, that, and all of these. Shadows. And of course, you can also use the blur image. I'm gonna decrease the size of it. Now, the blurring image is, for example, if you want to blur the text here and just want to retain the photo, you are welcome to do that. I'm gonna increase the brush size. You see, everything has been blurred so far, all right? Now, there's gonna be an option that says here, if you're happy with that, the magic eraser and background remover and magic grab. We have a separate video on how to do that, but basically you can only do this if you are subscribed to the Canva Pro. Since I am using the free option, I'm not gonna be able to show it to you guys, all right? But again, don't worry, after using all of these, you can adjust the transparency that you wanted, all right, to blend it with the background. After that, all you're going to do is click on share and download the image as PNG, JPEG, or PDF standard. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.